Hey everyone, I'm here with my 2019 Alfa Romeo Giulia base sedan, and today we're going to find out what happens when you pull the parking brake button while you're driving this car. I'm going to do the test on semi-wet pavement. It's sprinkling outside here and it's been raining off and on throughout the day. I'm going to do it at about 20 miles per hour. The owner's manual, I'll show an image of the owner's manual here and what it says. So on page 117 of the owner's manual it says, if under exceptional circumstances the use of the brake is required with the vehicle in motion, keep the switch on the center console pulled as long as the brake action is necessary. The brake warning light may turn on with the hydraulic system temporarily unavailable. In this case, braking is controlled by the motors. The brake lights will automatically turn on in the same way as for normal braking with the use of the brake pedal. Release the switch on the center console to stop the braking action when the vehicle is in motion. If through this procedure the vehicle is braked until a speed below 1.9 miles per hour is reached and the switch is kept pulled, the parking brake will definitively be engaged. So basically, if you come to a stop, the parking brake will stay engaged. And it sounds like the hydraulic system may be deactivated and braking will be controlled via the rear wheel motors, the electric motors on both wheels. So let's verify if that's the case. If when you pull up on this parking brake button, the electric motors activate and the rear wheels brake the vehicle. So let's find out from a test at 20 miles per hour. Alright, so we're going to do the test up here at 20 miles per hour. We're going to pull on the parking brake and see what happens. Here we go. Alright, so car came to a complete stop and I pulled on the parking brake it took only about half a second from the time I started pulling it to when it came to a complete stop. No analog brakes kicked in. It felt like all the braking power was coming from the back. And the brake light illuminated on the gauge cluster, which means the hydraulic system was temporarily deactivated during the braking action. To release the parking brake after coming to a complete stop, just put your foot on the brake pedal and push down on the parking brake release button, and that's it. Now let's speed up and we'll do it one more time. And it comes to a very controlled stop. Very firm stop, but doesn't activate the analog brakes and it doesn't come to a skidding halt even though the road is wet and slippery right now. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions or comments, please put them in the section below. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Bye.